Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button down below and also turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my it's a really simple seafood chowder. It's a little different from the usual. Today, because we are in quarantine, I'm using fish from the freezer, so you can make almost everything you can have in on standby, and it takes only mere minutes to make. So we'll get underway right away. So I have 250 grams of corn here that I just defrosted, and to this I want to add 3 spring onions. I've just cut off the green, I don't want too much of the green part. And then I'm going to blend these just to a rough, nubbly puree. And that's the base for my chowder made. This just means I don't have to be blending soups or anything like that. Hot soups makes things much easier. Add a little oil to a suitably sized pan. Into this, I want to add 75 grams of bacon lardons. You can cut up some streaky bacon or whatever you've got. Is there any better sound? My bacon's cooked enough so I can add in the corn and scallion mixture. Using the corn means I don't have to peel potatoes and wait for potatoes to cook down and everything, so it makes it a lot simpler and a lot quicker. Just stir that about in the pan just for a few moments, let it cook out that spring onion just a little. So once that's had a couple of moments, I just want to add in 400 mils of stock. Now I'm using chicken stock because I don't like fish stock. I don't think it has a very nice taste. You could use vegetable stock if you preferred, or whatever you like. So we have here at the moment what almost resembles like a split pea soup. And I'm going to add to that 250 mils of milk. And I'm just going to lower the heat because I don't want it to boil anymore now that the milk's in. I just want it to slowly simmer. And it gives it its creamy appearance. Now for my fish, I'm using a smoked fish here. You can use fresh or frozen, whatever you've got. This is some frozen smoked haddock that I've just defrosted. I'm just going to lazily and easily cut this in to the pan with a pair of scissors, just into nice bite-sized pieces. Saves on the washing up, no chopping board required. And that's 250 grams of smoked fish going in. And you can of course add any seafood you like. I do like to use a smoked fish because I think it gives it wonderful flavour. But you could add as well, you could add salmon, prawns, anything really you like. So this only is going to take a couple more minutes just till the fish is cooked through. If you like your fish really broke down in almost part of the soup rather than chunks of fish, just let it cook away for longer until it just breaks up and flakes away easily with this wooden spoon. The chowder's had its time, the fish is cooked through, so I can take it off the heat. It smells fantastic already. So just want to taste it for seasoning. I don't like to add the salt too early because I have saltiness from the bacon and I have saltiness from the stock. And I just want a tiny little bit and a little fresh pepper. And I'm ready to plate up. I'm looking forward to this.
Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines.
And if you've got it, sprinkling of parsley, but certainly not a requirement. Time for the good part, the tasting. It's out of this world. Right, if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, turn on those notifications down below and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
To have this love come and bury my strife and carry on.